Change the way you see digital multimeters. Introducing the first ever thermal multimeter from Fluke, the Fluke 279FC. Combining thermal imaging technology with the industry-leading digital multimeter, it's the only tool you need. The 279FC is designed to increase your productivity and confidence. Easily detect a heat map on the 3.5-inch full-color LCD screen that shows you where the hotspot is before you begin repairs. Using our integrated iFlex, you can take measurements in tight, awkward spaces up to 2,500 amps. And with wireless technology, you can view the measurements remotely. Fluke Connect lets you include measurements and thermal images and reports to validate work is complete. And because the 279FC is made by Fluke, you know it's going to be rugged and reliable. Combining two tools in one, the Fluke 279FC thermal multimeter helps you quickly find, repair, validate, and report electrical issues. The Fluke 279FC thermal multimeter. Change the way you see digital multimeters.